Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix activation required on GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then write Windows Defender Firewall. And on Windows Defender Firewall, you need to go to Advanced Settings. Then on Advanced Settings, you need to go to Inbound Rules and then click on one of the tasks here and press G. Then look GTA 5 tasks. And what you need to do here is to right click on it, properties, and then block all connections on all GTA 5 tasks, right? And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go back here, and then what you need to do here is to allow connection on all tasks here, right? And the next step what you need to do here is to open up a client where you got GTA 5. Then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, go to and press browse, and then you need to look for play GTA 5. Right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run as admin. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then try to run as Windows 7, right? And then the game should work, right? And you should be not getting error. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.